Hello budgeting friends, welcome back to Work Right Planner. This is the place where I talk about all of my financial faux pas in hopes that none of you make the same mistakes that I did. I hope everyone's doing well today. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. I'm so glad that you stuck with me, and if you're new here, pull up a seat, stay a while, and we are going to do some cash stuffing today. So today is the August 11th paycheck cash stuffing. So this is the cash that I've gotten from the bank. We have $50, $70, $80, $90, $95, $100, $105, $10, $15, $116, $17, $18, $19, $20, $21, $22, $23, $24, $25, $26, $27, $28, $29, $30, $31, $32, $33, $34, and $35. So we have $135 that we are going to stuff today. Let's scoot that back a little bit. I don't have a whole lot going on, and I forgot to grab the envelopes out of my wallet, so give me just a second. Okay, I'm back. So I now have the envelopes that reside in my wallet, and we're going to start with those. So I need $7, and it is going to go in the clothing envelope. Okay, that should make us $75. So this is 50, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So $75, plus we have still the Old Navy $25 and $19.59. So yeah, we're at $100 in these. So that's good. I don't remember what the goal was for clothing, but we're about to have to spend some because it's time for Calvin's back to school clothes. Okay, nothing for eat out, nothing for me, nothing for gas, nothing for groceries. Joint miscellaneous is going to get $7. I'm a little bit behind putting this money in. It's been riding in my wallet for a little bit, still in the bank's envelope. So it's about time I put it in here. So we're gonna have 42. I have 20, 35, 41, 2 in the joint miscellaneous. And nothing in here. Paula is gonna get $15. Which is good because we emptied this out. That just gives us $15 in this envelope because that's all we're gonna have. That's good because we've got money back in there. The nursing home has called a meeting for Paula. It's supposed to happen on Wednesday. I hope that it's them admitting to telling us the wrong thing and not more bad news to scare us all to death. Okay, so that's everything that belongs in my wallet. Let's move on to this black binder, which is things that, you know, almost like bills, but not quite. It's stuff that we know is coming. Okay, open this thing up. We have appliances, and it's gonna get $8. So we've got 5, 6, 7, and 8. Those back. I want to thank you guys so much, by the way. I think what I was doing wrong all these years in trying to pay off my debt was not using sinking funds because I didn't use them at all. I had one for Christmas, so I guess I can't say I didn't use them at all, but I had very few. I had one for Christmas, and that's just about it. Let's see, this will be 133. So what would happen is things would occur that would require money, but I didn't have money set aside for them. So I had to use credit. Even though I was trying to pay off the credit, I was having to use credit. So this year, inspired by all of you guys, I have put more of an emphasis on my sinking funds, and it's helping. I did take out the Discover card mainly for the 0% interest to transfer the money from Capital One. And I do have that new medical thing that has made it to where there are things that I need that I don't have the cash for, but we're going to start sinking some money away for that stuff so that that doesn't happen again. And, you know, I add categories as time goes by so that I don't have those things happen. And I can't tell you what a blessing it is to know that I've got $133 sitting here if something happens and, I don't know, I need a toaster or whatever, the money is here. And I didn't have this money here. Like I said, I just started this earlier this year. I didn't have money for appliances when the washer and dryer went out. So very important to have this stuff there. So that's $133. So I've got 100, 25, 30, 1, 2, and 3. If it hadn't been for watching you guys have several sinking funds, it probably never would have clicked with me that I needed to have multiple sinking funds. The litter robot is going to get $12. This thing, you guys, is going to be a lifesaver. My asthma has been kicking since all this weather started going crazy. I just can't deal, you guys. I can't deal. So I've got 150, 250, 65, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's what we've got colored in. So we're still good when it comes to the litter robot. We'll just slide all this back in there. No coloring for us today. That's okay though. Was I supposed to have colored anything here? I don't even think I looked. Nope, not so much. Okay. So that's all for this binder. Like I said, very slim pickings today. We're going to break out the holiday binder. Okay. So in this one, Valentine's Day is going to get $8. So I need 5, 6, 7, 8. Almost halfway to our goal. We've got 20, 35, 40, 1, 2, and 3. And 43 should give us 21. So we do need to color here. Let's do that. Okay. That gets that. And this is to try to keep us from using our Christmas money that we receive from paying for our Valentine's Day date. Halloween is going to get $4. I almost wrote Halloween, y'all. So that gives us $28 toward our $30 goal. Y'all, look at us. Okay, so we've got 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We may end up spending some of this. I don't know. The grandkids are back and my daughter's struggling. I'm sure that some of you all have issues like that, but she's struggling a bit, so we'll see. Last year we helped her with Halloween costumes and we did not budget for that this year because they weren't here. So we may end up having to change this budget. 46. So we've got 4. We need to color in 6. Okay. So there we have that. And Christmas is going to get 74, which should be all that's left right here. Yep. 615. Let's put all this together. Okay, and count. We should have 615. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50, 70, 90, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Lord, counting with those 50s in there, something else. Okay, so we're gonna do 615 plus the 196 that we've spent. We're gonna divide that by 30, and we should have 27 colored in, so I get to color in 3 more. Let's do that. Okay. There we go. And that is everything that we have for today. All the cash is stuffed. So be sure to join me next time. My next video is going to be the August 15th paycheck budget. So join me to figure out how I break that one down. It should be a good one. If you're still in the mood to watch, YouTube's put the best match for you on the screen. I will see you all next time. Have a great couple days, everybody.